We are people-oriented. I mean, that's our number one core value is people. Another core value we have is well-being, which you don't hear of a lot, which is people-centric as well. We know that our people are what makes our business go. So we want to take care of them. We want to take care of each other. Our president and CEO, Nate Simpson, started Landmark in 2003, basically with a little dump truck and a skid steer. And over the past 20 some odd years, we've gone from his little operation to 180 people, 3 divisions, Northern Utah, Central Utah, Southern Utah, and Southern Nevada area. We do utilities, pipe work, road work, bridges, structure. If it's got anything to do with pipe and dirt, we're probably in the mix. I've worked for Landmark for 10 years now. I came on as our first mechanic. I helped build the shop division, the equipment division, basically moved my way up from field tech to equipment manager, and now am an executive over equipment, facilities, the shop, our fabricators, our mechanics, fuelers, all that type of thing. My favorite part is the people and the equipment working together. What we build is pretty much permanent. You can drive by years later and see what it is that we all had a hand in making. I mean, this area is growing fast, and there's hardly any part of it that we haven't touched, and that's pretty cool. Probably the biggest challenge that I have in my role is making sure that the crews have everything that they need to keep moving. If we need a certain machine, I've got to source that. If we need some odd tools for a new project, I have to source those. Getting everything fueled, keeping everything running. I mean, downtime's a killer, right? It costs the company money, it costs schedule, and our main role in the shop is to keep it up and going. We have 2 Thunder Creeks, and before we had them, we were using pickup trucks with transfer tanks, a lot of running back and forth between where we were buying fuel and out to the job sites multiple times a day. It just wasn't efficient. I think the most we could carry on a truck was probably 500 gallons. Our other option that we have is a full-size fuel truck, but that requires a CDL driver with hazmat certification. And so we chose these 2 trailers because we could really put anybody in the driver's seat in a truck pulling them. No CDL requirement, no hazmat requirements. A lot of the times we've got machines on top of stockpiles mixing the material, and then they've got to crawl down, crawl to the tank, get fueled, and then go back, and that burns up so much production time. Same thing with dozers. It's a long process to flatter something across the job site to where the tanks are. So with the trailer, I mean, it reduces that downtime. So yeah, it's been a game changer. Prior to Thunder Creek, we were hauling jugs of DEF around everywhere in the backs of trucks, making a mess, just miserable for everybody involved. Now we have that contained unit in that trailer, which works great. I'm impressed with it. If you spend any time around us, you'll hear Landmark family. We feel that everybody plays an active part in that, and everybody that does, we take care of. They take care of us. It's awesome. Yeah, we're looking for bigger projects, bridges, freeways. Sky's the limit.